Hey, I'm looking to diversify my portfolio. Can you help me figure that out?
Sure, let me show you ValueLine, our stock database.
Awesome.
ValueLine offers a stock screener that can help you find stocks that meet your needs. Let's click on Find Ideas. Next, we will click on Screener. To the left, you'll find all the different ways that you can set your criteria to find the perfect stock for your needs. For example, I want a stock that is within the bank industry. I will click on Industry. Next, I will select the value in the drop-down menu and select Bank. The chart below will show you all the different bank stocks we can choose from. We can add another criteria to further slim down our options to add to our portfolio. I will add profit margin by clicking on the left side. Income statement, then profit margin. Now I can add the range I want the profit margin to be in by typing in or using the sliders. Now with my requirements, 2 stock options come up. The chart is interactive, so you can sort the stocks in different ways, such as by our criteria, ratings and ranks, and several other options. As you can see, there are many criteria options, and as you get more knowledgeable about investing, the screen will become more important to you. ValueLine also provides model portfolios where you can get ideas on what kind of criteria you want for your portfolio. Let's click on Model Portfolio, and we will see 4 different models with different investment strategies. The first portfolio is stocks with above average year-ahead price appreciation. The second portfolio is stocks for income and potential price appreciation. The third model is stocks with long-term price growth potential. And the fourth one is stocks with above average dividend yields. Each model has a narrative to explain why the model works for the chosen strategy. You can also find more ideas under the Browse Research tab. From here, we can view different filtered lists that meet a certain goal, such as best performing stocks. Under predefined screens, select best performing stocks. And this will show the top 50 performing stocks. This is basically like using the screener, but with the predefined criteria if you need help with finding an investment strategy.
This is great. ValueLine is going to help me find the best stocks for my portfolio.